Hey folks, welcome back. Steve Stack, Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods, back here at Studio 3B. We're going to take you on a little journey today on one of our custom mantles and a Baird Brothers, how it's made. This mantle, we have a customer place an order for a cherry mantle, specified to their length. Really just a few components, 1x8 cherry, 1x4 cherry, Baird number 3070 Cove crown, a couple little 3/8 by 3/8 racetrack strips, and we're gonna venture over into the shop and see how our master carpenter J.R. Seacrest is going to assemble this thing. So travel along. This is going to be fun. We're out here in the trim shop right now only because we have a great mantle project going on over in the manufacturing shop, and J.R. Seacrest, he's building a Baird mantle number 14 today, and he needed a piece of 1x8 cherry for the shelf cap. He said, hey Stack, can you go over to trim building and get me a piece of 1x8? So here we are. What do you think? Part of our S4S lumber, 1x8, 3/4, 7.5, sanded one face, ready for JR to make magic with it. Okay folks, so the steps that we're gonna see JR go through is he's gonna cut his 1x8 shelf cap board to length. He's going to attach a 1x6 ledger strip, a backer board to that using a Craig fastening system. And you'll see the Type-On glue product being used along with the Craig fasteners.
The pocket screw holes in that board, this is actually for the U-side support. They will stay there. We do sand a board with it to mount it to the wall.
Then he will attach the crown molding and do his miter return work on that. Add his 1x4, what turns out to be the bottom board on the mantel shelf.
I don't have 3/8 of an inch reveal. See the reason for that. I'm gonna apply a little 3/8 stock, 2 rows of it. Kind of breaks up flat for the mantle.
Then to accent it, he finishes up applying that little 3/8 by 3/8 S4S ledger strip.
When I did cut this one to length, I used a little one of these pieces of stock that I'm going to use for a spacer for my second row.
He's working with cherry today. This will be stained and varnished or just a clear coat varnish. JR, what are you up to?
Just building one of our favorite little mantles, number 14, out of cherry.
I think we offer about 11 different profiles in our mantle shelf.
Yeah.
But we're not afraid to look at a custom mantle piece either. This guy is gorgeous, like gorgeous. Out of cherry, 1x8 top, 1x4 bottom. Our Baird 3070 Cove crown mold. Some nice little 3/8 by 3/8 racetracks going around the front of it. Nice clean lines. This thing can go from formal to craftsman. Paint it, stain it. Folks, another example of the craftsmanship and the quality that Baird Brothers turns out every day.
We've had a busy morning here at Baird Brothers, and a Baird Brothers how it's made, and we saw a beautiful cherry mantle being built today. Custom mantle ordered by one of our fine customers, and what a job J.R. Seacrest did, huh? So from Baird Brothers, coming back at you, more how it's made. Hey folks. Thanks for talking shop and making some sawdust with Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods. If you enjoyed this episode and want more DIY project ideas and insider tips and tricks for all things hardwood, give us a like and subscribe. And be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or check out BairdBrothers.com. Until next time,